viewers. This is a documentary that a resident of Kings County created to promote awareness to the Superfund site, the Gowanus Canal. The black opening is where sewage spills into the canal. Superfund is the name given to the environmental program established to address abandoned hazardous waste sites. It is created by the Comprehensive Environmental Response, Compensation and Liability Act of 1980. It functions under the Environmental Protection Agency, or the EPA. Look at the oil spills. This is one of the many drawbridge towers for the bridges that go across the canal. The canal flows through major roads such as the Gowanus Express. This is one sewer that runoff flows into the canal. I was kind of expecting muted turtles to crawl out. There are buoys in the water because people still use this canal for recreational purposes. Is it safe? As long as we push the water. How did that bottle get there? You can see the pollution at the bottom. The canal was built before the Civil War. Printing plants, oil storage facilities, and dye works produced so much pollution that it was nicknamed Lavender Lake. It was reputedly a favorite dumping ground for mafia's victims. When the birds won't go near the water. There's a scrapyard by the canal, and more oil spills. Gowanus Canal was first used as a power source by water mills. Over the last century, however, the area around the Gowanus Canal has been industrialized. These industries spill waste into the canal. The initial design of the canal prevented the flushing of the water. The flushing would allow contaminants to be carried out into the Hudson River. This problem was addressed by building a sewer known as the Big Sewer at the northern end of the Gowanus Canal. However, due to runoff from rainy weather, the combined sewer overflow, or CSO, causes the runoff and sewage to be transferred into the canal. There is water flowing, but to where? The broken fence is in the canal. I believe those giant cylinders are for storage. The canal ends under us. But where does the water flow to? I don't know. There's nothing behind me. There are still signs of industrial activity around the canal. Warehouses, storage tanks, sand, and a company named Oxygen Lightworks. see the city of New York knows about the runoff, yet there is still runoff from the sewers into the canal. Clearly, the lack of effective action means the city needs help. At the end of the day, after looking at a map of Brooklyn, I have concluded that the flow of water from the canal leads to the Hudson River, which leads to the Atlantic Ocean. This canal is polluting our ocean and the Hudson River, which thousands of people use to commute to work. I strongly encourage you, the viewers, to write to your senators to provide funding from the military for the EPA and Superfund. We should not have to pay to clean up other people's messes. Thank you for watching this video.